Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mid-mount right here, and basically what this is a solar charger power bank. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand I believe is pronounced Hiluckey or Hiluckey. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And right underneath that, you can see we do have the power bank, and they also provide you guys a cable as well. So let's take it all out. So the cable that they provide for you guys is a USB to micro USB cable. So you can definitely use that to recharge the product. But right here we do have the power bank, so let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see in the bottom right here, they do have the brand logo, and they mention how the solar charger. And if you see right underneath that, they do provide you guys the spec of the product. So they do provide you guys information about the input and output. And they mention how the 25,000 mAh power bank. So when you guys do use this power bank, it should last you guys for quite a long time. So if you notice for the top part right here, we do have a flashlight. And right here is the power button for you to turn it on. So if you guys press and hold this button, that will turn it on. If you guys press on again, that will change the light mode on here. Press it again, it goes to a faster flashing option. Press it again, it turns off. So there's 3 different light modes on here when you guys do use the flashlight option. And on the side right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys the battery level or the battery percentage. And they also have an indicator light to show you guys when the actual solar panel option is working. Top right here, we do have the USB option. So if you guys open up, that is basically what the inside looks like. So they probably got 2 USB output and 1 micro USB option that you probably use as input to recharge the power bank. So you definitely do have the option to use the wired option to recharge it, or you can definitely use a solar panel to recharge it as well. But if you guys do want to use a solar panel to recharge it, it will take much longer. But having the solar panel option is actually pretty useful and super convenient, especially when you guys are stuck somewhere, maybe going camping or something. So I'm actually opening it up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So you basically want to take off this part here. And you see the material that's on here definitely feels like a high quality leather. I'm not sure if that's real leather or fake leather, but once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So for this power bank, they do give you guys 4 solar panels on here, so that we can charge much faster than using 1 solar panel. So when you guys do shine the solar panel in direct sunlight, it will actually start charging your power bank. But if you guys use like a flashlight or indoor light like what we have right here, it won't be strong enough. And like I mentioned, the way how you guys would know is by looking at the indicator light right here. There's a separate light right here that will show you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before you test it out, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it using the cable option. So I'm gonna close this back up for now since we're not using it. And we want to open up this part right here. And I want to get my cable. And you just want to plug it in. Once you guys plug it in, you can see on the side right here, it does show you guys the indicator light to show you guys that it's charging. So right now it's halfway charged, so it's not fully charged yet. So that is how you guys charge the product. Let me just test out the USB option to show you guys whether or not the product works while you guys are charging the power bank. So I'm just going to use a random USB to lightning cable. So you basically want to just plug it in. And then for the other side, I want to plug it onto my phone. So if you guys plug it in, it does not work while it's charging. Let's try again after we unplug it. Alright, so we just unplugged it. If you guys try again, if you see, it definitely does work. If you guys are curious about the charging speed that's on here, it actually charges at a 2.18 charging speed. So it's not like the fastest charging option available, which is Quick Charge 3.0, or even at a 2.48 charging speed. It is a 2.1. But you do have the option to charge 2 devices at the same time if you guys want to. And it also has a large capacity on here since it is 25,000 mAh. But you see from this quick test, the product definitely does work. But now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable charger. They give you guys 4 solar panels and also give you guys the 2 USB output. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.